there's a new software update for my Tesla, which is awesome. It's been a little while since the last one, and I think I might know what this one is. So currently I am on 2018.28.5. I think the new one's like 2018.34 or something, and it has what's called pin to drive feature. Okay, not really sure which one I'm getting yet, but let's go ahead and get this one installed. You can see up here we have that little icon, and that means software update is available. So we are just going to hit install now. 1, 2, 3 taps. And I will see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so here it is. What is new with this update? It says pin to drive to increase security. A new setting has been added that allows you to prevent your vehicle from being driven until a 4-digit PIN has been entered. To enable this setting, control, safety, security, PIN. Create a PIN. Note that the same PIN must be entered in order to drive the vehicle, or change this setting. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so this actual release comes in part from some issues in Europe that have kind of spread worldwide, not just with Tesla though, it's kind of with all cars.
Yeah, basically we've been hearing about something called a relay attack, where some criminals, some car thieves, are able to intercept the signal of your key fob using an antenna. They stand like outside your house, close enough that can hit the signal of your key fob. They can then interact with that, get the signal from the fob, and then transmit it to your car. And that's how they were able to use that. If your car was set on that passive entry mode, then they were able to then transmit that signal to your car and unlock it and then take control. And so that's why Tesla came out with this new pin to drive feature, because it makes it so that even if they are able to intercept and emulate that signal from your key fob, they still need to know the PIN in order to turn it on. And we have heard that some insurance companies, I think especially in the United Kingdom, they're actually sending out notifications to some of their customers telling them to disable passive entry, or if you're going to keep it on, to keep your key fob in a, a special like Faraday cage or a little pocket that blocks radio signals, so that those thieves won't be able to intercept that signal of your key fob from outside of your house. It's not something we have seen much in the United States, but Tesla has definitely seen that this is a potential security issue, and that's why they've released this update. And this, again, doesn't just affect Tesla. This can affect any company that has keyless entry. Yeah,
any car company or car manufacturer that uses a key fob, it can affect them. So yeah, we did notice too in the release notes they do the whole gray on black situation. Yeah, so not the easiest to read.
Yeah, so let's take a look at it and see how it works. Let's do it put it in action.
Yep. Okay, so once you are in this part, you can go up to settings, and then you go into safety and security, and right here you're gonna see pin to drive. So currently it is off. We'll go ahead and turn it on real quick. And here you can create a pin to whatever you would like. We will just do an easy pin here. And then, so now that it is on, I can actually leave the vehicle. Once it locks, I can come back, and it will prompt me to do that before I can actually drive the car. So let me go ahead and do that. Going to exit the vehicle.
Do you have your fob?
I thought you'd never ask.
And passive entry is still enabled.
So I'm going to go ahead and lock the vehicle. The sunroof is open so you guys can hear me.
Yeah, just so the lights flash.
Okay, so now that it is locked, I'm going to open it back up. And here, if I go in and try to start my car, I got nothing here.
Car off.
I got nothing until I do this. So here we'll go ahead and do my secret code. Allow.
Woohoo. Looks like it works.
Now I can go into anything I want. And now if I go back into park, it's beeping. Sorry, I don't have my seatbelt on. Shame. So even going back into park, it does still let you go back into drive as long as you haven't left the vehicle and it unlocked. Then it will make you do the PIN. But yeah, this is really a big safety feature for those in the UK, because there have been a lot more issues, and with insurance companies requiring this, it was a smart move on Tesla's part. There are a couple other uses that this could be good for, but that is definitely the main one, just to make sure that everyone complies and that they don't have any issues with their Tesla being taken or anything. But again, that covers any car manufacturer it can happen with. It's not just Tesla, but it's cool to see that Tesla can actually remedy this in an over-the-air update that quickly. Not many car manufacturers can do that.
We forgot to show one thing. If you forget your PIN, you can actually use your Tesla credentials from the website, and you can start your car that way as well.
Definitely let us know in the comment section below what you guys think about this update. Is this something that you would use on a daily? I don't think I would. I mean, I guess I'll have to play around with it. But, I mean, definitely if there becomes more of an issue, I could see that happening. I don't know. Would you use it, though? Did you get this update? Are you going to use it? And just FYI, I don't think we actually said what the update was. It's 2018.32.4. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know what update is going to be pushed out to your Teslas here. I know a lot of people have been getting it lately, so that is what you should be getting. If you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, or even a performance Model 3, which we have some really fun videos coming, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. And using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging for the life you own your vehicle, which is currently the only way to do so. However, it does expire September 16th, so coming up really quickly. So if free supercharging is something you really want, definitely make sure you get your order in by then. Any orders after that will only get 1 year of free supercharging. And if you do use our referral code, definitely send us an email through the website so we have your contact information. That way when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out and do some test rides and test drives, because really without your support, none of this would be possible. So we're going to have this big blowout event. It'll be so freaking amazing. But yeah, that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Here for some other videos. And we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Some orders. 4, 3, 2.